Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a mixture between Palworld and Skibidi Toilet as one character. It's gonna be real simple, real easy, really fast. It's gonna be for beginners, so let's jump right into the video. Alrighty, so we're gonna go through a mixture of Skibidi Toilet and Palworld. Specifically Grizzbolt. So in 5 minutes, you're gonna know how to do this. So let's just jump right into it, okay? First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with kind of the head over here of, Grizzbolt. Pulling out, down. So it's kind of like an angle downward, but it's gonna have this little bump over here, right? Like this slight bump, very slight. And we're gonna pull back to the top right there. It's gonna have two little dots right there, and that's obviously its fur kind of fuzzing off. And then we're gonna pull outward over here down, and then have two little bits of fur come out over here as well. It's kind of it's an indication, right? Instead of drawing every little hair, you draw these little edges showing everybody that is fur overall. The fur kind of encompasses the whole thing. Gonna go over here, and I'm gonna pull a line downward. Over here on this side, pull a line up. Line underneath, up over here. And line underneath over here, upward. So he's got those kind of angry, kind of devious eyes that he tends to have. If you're a Palworld fan, by the way, say, hey, what's up? Or a Skibidi Toilet fan, say, hey, what's up in the comments. I like, hearing who's there. Circle right here. And circle right here. He's got kind of like those kind of slightly long eyes, but nothing too wild. On over here. For the nose, it's kind of roundish, but at the same time, it's a little bit like a cat nose. A little bit of a prong down here, not too wild. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to pull up, down, and over here on this side, up, and down, right there for kind of the ears. Go down here now, pull across for the smile. Definitely hit the like button if you're here so far. It's good to, it's kind of hard to do these, but if you hit that like, it makes a huge difference. Like, I really realize, what you guys like, and I can kind of play toward that and draw more of it. Line downward right here for the edge, where that tooth is, and then we're gonna pull down on these for the teeth, row of teeth down. Curve around here. Go over here, up, down, up, down. Outward, down, curve right here. We're kind of drawing that toilet seat of, that's now that we're going to the Skibidi Toilet portion of it. Line a little bit right there to kind of show that there's a little bit of an edge going on. And down here. Gonna go over here. Stay with me, by the way, because we're almost done. Curve underneath. Curve underneath on this side. Down, down, out over here, underneath, up. Curve, line over here. Okay, we got that bowl of the toilet and then the bottom part where it sticks to the floor. And then we're gonna go over here and we're gonna find the back of the toilet seat. So right here, we're gonna go up, kind of curving around his ears, trying to get around them. And down right here. It's a little bit to the right because I want him to look slightly like he's looking that way, right? These little tabs on the toilet seat so that when it hits the, the plate doesn't like slam it. That's kind of what they're for. I forget what they're for. All right. Another curved line over here to show the inner portion of that. Out over here, down. Out over here, up. Downward over here, curve underneath, like so. To kind of have that tank area of the toilet as well. It's silly that we're doing this, but and this little tab right there is kind of like a little squared. It's gonna be the thing to the, what do you call it? That thing you press to like flush the toilet. And line right here. Let's try another little extra portion over here at the bottom. I just feel like it needs it back there. Just to kind of, and I'm gonna fill this area in, kind of like that. The tubes, couple of things right there in the back. Oh, am I missing anything right here? I think that's it. I believe that's total toilet and Grizzbolt. And then if you want, you can kind of maybe fill in the ears, but I'm not gonna. Am I gonna fill in the ears? You can kind of fill in the ears because ears are colored dark. You might be able to fill that in right there. It might look pretty interesting. All right, there you go. That is the merged. What is this character called, by the way? If you let me know in the comments, I'm gonna pin the favorite name. So what is it? Grizzbolt mixed with Skibidi Toilet. Give me a name for this character and I'll pin the one I like the most. All right, stay with me. We're gonna do another drawing lesson together, all right? Also, don't forget to share this video. It's a big deal. And let's do another drawing lesson together, okay? Stay with me right now. Let's start this next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's gonna be within the same theme, and you wanna keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.